Very good morning. This is Dr. Subir Kumar Bandyopadhyay. Successfully enter your senior. So I'd like to perform the activity. They have a plane mirror I've set here. I've set here the plane mirror. You have looked at the plane mirror set here. And I like to get the image of the upper wall here. Nothing else. I get the upper wall, the image of the upper wall. Look here, the flag, national flag at the center, and upper wall, the view of the our senior studio, my recording program. The yoga certificate is the Stride Ended program. The DSC Bardhaman and the ended certificate of the Stride Ended system. So you are exhibiting the yoga certificate of myself and said and the senior studio program. The senior studio I exhibit in the mirror. I exhibit on the table as if the flag is hosting. So beautifully my my tool is the replaced by means of plain mirror, well decorating, like the Steamia Studio certificate, the yoga certificate, the yeah, the you can consider the three-dimensional, the three dimension. And thank you very much because I replace it and I can make it three-dimensional also. I can make the film also three-dimensional. I will attempt like this and three-dimensional like to display exhibit the three-dimensional view. But also I like to India. I replace here the light source. I replace here. Mm, uh, So thank you very much. This is Dr. Subir Kumar Bandyopadhyay. Successfully entered and let's exhibit the tool. The table is replaced by means of plain mirror at the upper wall view. Thank you very much. This is all our upper wall view. You have seen here directly. And now come back to so thank you very much. This is Dr. Subir Kumar Bandyopadhyay. Successfully enter your senior studio and perform my activity. Uh, perform my activity. Joy Hind. Okay.